This is what happened at Islamabad's Red Mosque 6 years ago. For nearly a week, students and supporters of the mosque fought with security forces. Then Pervez Musharraf, who was president at the time, ordered a team of military commandos to storm the house of worship and end the standoff. At least 100 people were killed in the raid that followed. Among them was Harun Rashid-Ghazi's father, Maulana Abdul Rashid-Ghazi, who was one of the main clerics who ran the mosque and its affiliated schools. Many of his supporters, some involved in the violence, were his students. They openly called for the overthrow of Musharraf's government and wanted Islamic law imposed in Pakistan. Earlier this year, Harun Rashid-Ghazi filed a case with the courts against Musharraf, saying the former ruler was personally responsible for the deaths.
Musharraf said my father and those with him at the Red Mosque were terrorists. These people never hurt anyone. That's why I filed this case against him, because Musharraf is a terrorist. He ordered their killings.
Those who lost loved ones in the raid here at the Red Mosque clearly blame Musharraf for their deaths, but many believe he will leave the country and will never stand trial. After 4 years in exile, former President Musharraf returned to Pakistan earlier this year in an attempt to restart his political career. But a month later, he was placed under house arrest and disqualified from ever holding office again. His confinement also broke a tradition that Pakistan's powerful army chiefs, who have run the country for more than half of its history, are never arrested, even after they leave office. But neither the government nor the military appear to want to see Musharraf tried, fearing the destabilizing effects a drawn-out court case could have on the country and its economy. The government has put travel restrictions on the former ruler, but many believe efforts are being made to allow him to leave Pakistan before a trial date is set in any of the criminal cases he's named in. Imtiaz Tyab, Al Jazeera, Islamabad.